Okay, I got that, that stuff, I get that little teddy bear. Okay, let's see if I can work. Let's take the rest of that to okay. Here's the kitchen. And it looks so cool, okay? Look, there's Auntie Beth, hello. And there's my mama. Oh, look, there's pretty Mariah. Isn't she cute? And she cute? Ah, don't save me! Okay, kitchen, Well, look, it's Jessica Simpson. I mean, never mind. Ow! Oh, shit! Ah! Okay, they speak Tagalog, so you don't really want to know what they're saying. Okay. Okay. Okay, never mind. Okay, here's the bathroom. His bathroom is. Hang on a second. Okay.
That's enough.
Ooh, something stinks. Watch out for part 3.